Hello and welcome everyone. Today is Monday, May 9th, 2016, and we're looking at the US CAD on the 4-hour time frame. I've opened a sell order following the stop hit pattern that formed right here. I'm going to have to zoom out for you so that you can see this level of resistance that was established with this bounce right here, okay? So here's the bounce. When the market returns to this level, something is bound to happen. There's liquidity here, right? Okay. There is liquidity because the shorts that took place here, their stop orders are sitting right above this level. Let me zoom in now. When we return to this level, a lot of things happen. There are traders that pick highs and they just short. They sell when it hits this level. There's traders that wait for a move through the level. They're going to go long, so they buy here. There's stop orders from the traders that went short back over here at the bounce. Okay, those orders are sitting here. There's a lot of liquidity. So we wait for the pattern to complete, which is the stop hit. The market presses above, takes the stops, and the signal which triggers the entry is the engulfing right here. All right. I waited on a pullback so that my 2 times profit would be at the most recent bounce, which was actually this breakout level here. All right. This was a nice 2 times profit trade right here if you traded this break check as I did. Okay, so we are now short the US CAD on the 4-hour time frame with a target of the most recent bounce right here. Okay. Okay, welcome back everyone. Today is Wednesday, May 11th, and the US CAD just took our profit target here this morning with this black candle right here that pushed right down through the support floor. Okay, which was the perfect target. However, it looks like we might see a continued move on down to the next level. However, you never know. Okay, so that's what I want to talk about, the bounce points and the profit targets. Okay, real quick, let me just kind of highlight what's going on here. If you look to the left here as the market was moving to the upside, and everywhere that there was a pullback, okay, right here we pulled back and created this little stall. Look what happens when the market returns to it. When it returns to it coming back down, you have a bounce there. Okay, so now it's a question of how hard of a bounce, or are the bulls going to take control right here? Okay, now this is just a subtle little pullback. Okay, but that's further magnified when you get to a level where there was a major bounce or a major breakout candle or a major wick. Okay, this such as this level right here. Look what happens when you return to this level. Oops, right here, large wick. It begins to reject this level immediately. Okay, this is where an area of decision is, and everybody's deciding whether they're going to take a long or a short. In this case, we began to pull back. My profit target was still sitting here untouched. I thought that we were going to see a move back to revisit this area up here. However, the bears took over and the market collapsed shortly thereafter. Now, look at this bounce right here, this subtle little dip. This is an area where there's going to be decisions to be made. And if you look over here, you start seeing some wicks, you start seeing some small bodies. There's a little bounce off of this level. Okay, is that going to hold? Who knows? All right, if all the bulls jump in, it could hold. However, it's more likely, there's a higher probability that it's going to just fall off to this level. All right, which is a more intense, if you will, bounce than this little dip. Okay, so the more of a move that came off of a level, the higher probability that there's going to be reversal. That's why we trade to key levels. That's why my 2 times profit target is at this key level. Okay, so hopefully that helps, and you just have to watch for bounce points and be sure to target the most logical, closest bounce that there is to your signal. Okay, so you can ensure that your trade is off the table following the market's decision to go one way or the other. Okay, so as long as it touches the most recent bounce, you're good. You're out of the trade. And now, if this wick holds or if this bearish candle holds, it doesn't matter to you. You're just waiting for the next signal and pattern to form. Okay.